Hello there. As you can see from behind me, I've just finished editing my pictures from my day out in York the other day, taking street photos. Somewhere new, somewhere I've not been before with my camera. Had a really good day. Wasn't planning on making a vlog, but I did have my pocket tool with me, so I filmed quite a bit of it. How about, instead of watching me talk to camera, we just rewind, go through my day, and I'll show you what I got up to in York. My name's Barry. I'm the guy behind the camera. This is Bevan. He's the guy behind the Newcastle Street Photography Community. We've got a hashtag and everything. And this is York. I have to say that honestly, York is such a cool little city. If you've not been before, I really recommend it. Now that's whether you're into street photography or not, I think you'll find something there for you. There's loads of history and amazing buildings to see, great places to eat and drink, and you can get a great coffee from Spring Espresso down on Fossgate. They looked after us when we were there. One thing I like to do to help me stay focused when I'm out shooting is setting myself challenges for the day. Some days that might mean shooting from the hip, or asking people to take a portrait of them, or only shooting reflections. Out in York I decided to challenge myself to use a fully manual lens. For anyone interested, it's a Zonlai 22mm f1.8 lens, which is one of the better performing low-cost Chinese manual lenses for the Fuji system. I like to use a mixture of focus peaking and zone focusing when I'm using this lens. I'm still learning, but I'm starting to get some pretty good images with it. Now you wouldn't know it from the video so far, but me and Bevan met up with another photographer who's recently moved to York. We hung out for a few hours, we had a couple of coffees, a few laughs, and we spent a while chatting photography and shooting pictures. He didn't want to be in any video, which I completely respect. If you are watching though, it was great meeting you, and maybe we'll meet up again and see you in Newcastle soon. That's about it for the video, so all that's left now for me to say is thanks to Bevan for organising the Newcastle Street Photography trip down to York. I'm sure it'll be the first of many, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing more people there at the next one. If you want to see more of Bevan, check out his Instagram at @IamBevanClark. You can check out the Newcastle Street Photography Community at ncl_SPC. And finally, if you want to see more from me, you can find me on Instagram at BazAngus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.